Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trisha Creativemind Creations. I'm going to be sharing with you a collaboration that I am seriously late on. This was supposed to be the last week of the 5-week collaboration that Lasagna Burger, Msdoll's Handmade Creations here on YouTube, was hosting in our group, Crafty Manipulators. The last week we had to do hello and or thank you cards. So I did just thank you cards because I didn't have anything that had hello. I don't have any stamps, I don't think, that says hello. So I had to do all thank you. So I did my cards in 5x5, like 5x5, not 5x5, 4x4 note cards. And again, I'm late on this. I should have been posting this Saturday. Here it is Monday. But, you know, unforeseeable circumstances with the grandbabies, and the youngest in particular, doesn't like to let me out of her sight or when we put her down or anything, and so she hollers the whole time. I couldn't get anything done. So, yeah, I had to take her home. Not the other 4, but the baby had to, yeah, she had to go. I love her to death, but she had to go. Okay, well, anyways, back to this. I did these 4 cards, and I used this paper collection that I've had for a while. I got it from Hobby Lobby, and this first time using it. I even have the 4.5 by 6.5 matte stack, which I didn't use any of, but I did use this stack again from Hobby Lobby. It's called the Shop on the Square by the Paper Studio. Very pretty paper. It's mostly monochromatic, or, you know, well, I guess it's not so much monochromatic because it just has some pink in there. But yeah, but it was first paper my first time working with, so this was fun to work with. Okay, so these are the cards that I came up with. And none of them are stamped on the inside. They're all blank on the inside, but I did stamp all of them on the back with my little logo there. So this is the first one I made, and it says special thanks. And I did double matting on most of them. Well, on all of them, but one I only did partial double matting. But this is the first one I did, and I used some of my gold cardstock also that I got from Michael's. That says special thanks. I stamped that in black stays on ink, and I made one of my bows and put that on there. So that's that one. Again, they're all blank on the inside. That's that one. Here's another one that I did on pink cardstock. It's not exactly the pink color that matches the paper from the paper stack, but it was close enough. And the ink either, but again, it worked. And so with this one, I did the double matting, but this one, did the double partial matting on it because I took a gold doily and I cut it in quarters, and then I used I had already cut this pattern from the paper, this particular paper, to size, and I don't want to trim it down anymore. And I just didn't like the fact that the pink on pink with that, so I had to put some white in there. So what I did is I got my Martha Stewart punch for some photo corner thingies, and I used that and I put those on there, so that gave it a pop of white. And to add more gold, I made a gold bow and I stamped that in thanks. So that's that one. This one is the gold feather print. It's like you can see it's shiny. That was really pretty. And because there was no pink in this card, no matter anything, because I used again the gold cardstock under that paper, I just stamped it in pink and I inked around the edges. And I was intending to use a gold bow, but I ended up putting a pink bow. I ended up putting a gold bow. So that's that one. I really like that one. It's pretty because I like those feathers. And then the last one I did, I wanted to kind of veer off a little bit to go something with the gold and not stick with the white so much. So I did this one in craft cardstock, and again I stamped heartfelt thanks on this one. I used some of my gems that I got from Hobby Lobby. Got these from Hobby Lobby. I think I hauled these. And I used the pink iridescent ones and the gold bow. And that again is blank on the inside. that's that, matching the envelope. And so that is the cards that I made for this. Now, these were simple cards because I had to do something quick because, again, I'm late on this. I uploaded this video Saturday, and here it is days after. But I am going to show you how I'm packaged this, and this is the other ones. Of course, I made a package of 4 packages, and that's how they come packaged. And all I did was I used some of the craft cardstock that I had left over, and I cut a doily in half. And this is measured 4 3/4 by 3.5, and I scored it at half. And I cut my gold doily in half, and so half of it was measured at 2 1/4. So I scored it down the middle at 1.5 because this is at 1.5. And I'm going to now stick this to the craft. I'm just going to put this on here and line the score lines up to the top evenly on both sides. And with that, and then I'll fold that over, and then we'll fold this back out and fold that over. And I use my corner chopper by Miracle Keepers. I chopped all the corners on the cardstock, the craft cardstock, and I'm just going to put these in here. And I turned one there because I didn't want to the one envelope showing on the back because of the way I got the envelopes in the cards. I mean the cards in the envelopes. Wait a minute, and that's not that. This one goes first, then this one. Yes, I am particular about what order they are going in the envelope. And I center this in the center of the card. See, I put them in like that. And that one, and then the last one is going to go so that it faces the back, like so. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, yeah. And I'm going to put these in here. These are a little tedious because I had other envelopes or little bags to put these in, but only one would fit in one bag. I mean, one would fit in the bag, and I wasn't going to be packaging these up separately since we had to do 4 to a set. And if I can just get them in here. See, this was the part that was a little bit tedious. And so, make sure I put them in there right first of all. I use my tweezer so I can fold out the corners. Actually, I'm putting these in the other package. Wasn't that darn hard to do. So why is it hard to do this time? I have no idea. It's actually quite simple. Well, not simple, but it was easier than this. Okay, got it. I think. Sorry guys, I'm not editing this out. I'm not in the mood for editing it or fast forwarding or speeding this up. So y'all gonna have to fast forward this part because now I'm wrinkling up that side. I don't know why this is hard to do it on camera, but of course, there we go. Y'all know when y'all do anything on film, that's when you're gonna have problems. Everything wants to not cooperate. And just lift this up to get that over that. Let's push it in till everything is cleared and gets in there. There we go. Let's put it in all, push them all the way in. And then I get my Scotch tape because my other bags didn't work, so I have to use tape. I was going to use washi, but I said, nah, I don't want to come up the card that's on the back. And I'm just going to fold this up like that. Oh, get it straight, Trish. Slow down. Alright. Okay, I'm going to shake this back down like that. Push this down. And now I'm going to put some in the middle. edge. And this tape gun is working my nerve. As usual, guys, y'all know how things go on film. When you're on the camera, everything wants to not work right. So, while everything is trying my patience right now. Okay, nice done. Alright, so where'd it go? Nah, I'm misplacing stuff. Did y'all see where that went? Oh. Where's my darn topper? Oh, it's stuck to the thing. I bet y'all, man, it's on the thing. It's on your tape gun. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just irritated because I couldn't get this done on time. Well, grandkids love them to death, but they just interfere with my crafting. Hubby, he works. I'm on disability, so I don't work at home. I mean, I don't work outside of home. But y'all know, stay-at-home moms, y'all know that there's still always work to be done. I'm always got to cook and clean for everybody. And this is my only relaxation that I get. So when this gets interrupted, I get irritated. I tend not to be pleasant to deal with. So if y'all hear some kind of nasty aura coming off my voice, that's why. Because I'm just irritated that I couldn't get this done on time like I wanted to. I still got swaps I got to finish up. I got to get one packaged for tomorrow. Well, I wasn't... Again, I'm irritated. Sorry. But it's like, I got another swap that I wasn't going to get sent off until Wednesday because of stuff like that. I got 4 of my grandkids. I don't want to take them out with me. You know, there's just too many kids to be dealing with. I'll be talking about taking them out. And then I also have my son. He's 5 kids in one because he's autistic. He's 23. And he's not pleasant to deal with out in public either. So I'm not planning on going out tomorrow to mail this off because we already got partners for this. I got to send this to my partner. And then I got another swap I got to send off, which I supposed to have that sent off by, the person to get that by the 21st. I mean, by the 23rd. That's not going to happen because I couldn't get the darn swap done because the grandkids. But anyway, so it is what it is, but it's still irritating. So this is my 4 weeks, 5th week collaboration for Lasagna's collaboration of Rebuilding Your Stash. Sorry about the little rant there, y'all, but I had to get that out. So hopefully I feel better after I can go ahead and get this swiped up. But if I can go ahead and brave the big bad tomorrow, I might go ahead and just take the kids out with me and go ahead and get this mailed off because I don't want it later than it already is. But sorry for any delay on my swaps, guys, but yeah, there it is. So y'all have a happy day. I hope to have the rest of my happy day because I'm irritated. But thanks for watching, guys. Bye.